Area of the rectangle. Let A is equal to area of the rectangle. W is equal to width or breadth of the rectangle. L is equal to length of the rectangle. The given dimensions are: length L is equal to 6 cm, width or breadth W is equal to 4 cm. Therefore, area of the rectangle A is equal to L multiplied by W is equal to 6 cm multiplied by 4 cm is equal to 24 square cm. We can calculate the area of a rectangle in AI Connect also. To do so, create a project in AI Connect. In it, create a basic coding activity. Then, do the following coding and click on Run button. We can also calculate the area and perimeter of other shapes like square, triangle, and circle in AI Connect by making changes in the coding of the program.